Snoring? Again? Seriously, it was happening almost every night. We tried everything: oils, devices, breathing strips, mouth guards. Nothing really worked.
Until we discovered Nasalite.
Yes, the Nasalite mouth tape and nasal strips completely changed our nights.
No more mouth breathing, no more dry mouth, and best of all, no more snoring.
Finally, silence.
Nasalite is the best thing we've tried.
What I love is how soft and breathable it is. It's made from antimicrobial bamboo silk, so it's gentle on the skin and super comfortable, even for first-timers.
It stays on all night too. Unlike other tapes we tried, this one really holds and still feels comfortable.
That's the kind of quiet every couple deserves.